If you're looking for the perfect family dinner, creamy, cozy, and full of flavor, this chicken with mushroom sauce is exactly what you need. Just look at that creamy goodness. I'm starting off by slicing the chicken into medium pieces, not too thin and not too thick. Then I'm seasoning with a bit of salt and black pepper and giving it a good mix so every piece gets coated. In a hot pan, I'm melting some butter. Once it's nice and bubbly, I add the chicken. We are frying it on both sides until it turns golden and smells amazing. This step locks in all that flavor. Until the chicken is getting ready, we're going to chop some onion and a few cloves of garlic. Now I'm removing the chicken and adding a bit of oil to the same pan. Then goes in chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic. I fry them until soft and lightly golden. Next comes the sliced mushrooms, one of my favorite parts. I cook them until they're soft and slightly golden. Now I pour in the heavy cream and season with paprika, oregano, and a little more salt. The aroma here is unbelievable. Then I add chicken back in and let everything simmer for a few minutes. The sauce thickens just beautifully. And that's it. I drizzle a little fresh dill on top and wow, this chicken is so creamy, flavorful and comforting. Perfect for a warm family dinner. Check out my YouTube channel for more recipes like this. Let me show you how to make chicken in a totally different way, creamy, crispy and full of flavor from start to finish. I'm starting off with some chicken breast and I'm cutting it into long strips. Now I'm seasoning with a pinch of salt, a bit of pepper and some dried oregano. The smell of oregano instantly gives the Mediterranean touch. Mix it very well, every piece should be coated evenly. Next I'm heating up a pan. Once it's ready, I'm adding just a drizzle of oil and placing the chicken strips carefully, letting them fry until golden on one side, then flip them. We want that perfect color on both sides. While the chicken is cooking, I'm moving to the potatoes. I'm slicing them into thin pieces, not too thick, not too thin. Then seasoning with salt, dried oregano again, and a bit of paprika for color, and a spoon of olive oil. Mix everything well until each slice is coated. This is what makes them crispy later. They're going into the air fryer, and every 5 minutes I'll take them out to mix. This helps them to cook evenly. Back in they go and I repeat one more time. When they're perfectly golden, I'm placing them on a plate. Now back to the chicken. It's turned beautifully golden and smells amazing. I'm taking it out and setting it aside for now. Next, I'm chopping up 1 bell pepper into small cubes, then 1 onion into cubes and a few cloves of garlic. These are going to bring so much flavor to the sauce. In the same pan, I'm adding a small piece of butter, a little extra olive oil and tossing in the onion, garlic and bell pepper. The colors already look so good together. I'm stirring from the time to time until they become soft and golden. Now I'm pouring in a cup of cream and adding a bit of water, just enough to loosen it up. Let it simmer for a few minutes, stirring gently until it starts to thicken. Then I'm adding some paprika for warm color and light smoky flavor. Now the best part, I'm putting in the chicken back into the pan, let it cook in that creamy sauce for a few more minutes. The sauce thickens beautifully, coating every piece of chicken. Once it's ready, I'm bringing back the potatoes. I'm placing the chicken right on top of potatoes and pouring all that creamy sauce over everything. It's rich, comforting and so satisfying. If you're still watching, don't forget to like the video. It really helps me to share more recipes with you. And just look at that, the cream melts into the potatoes, the chicken is juicy, and the smell is incredible. That's it, creamy chicken with crispy potatoes, simple and delicious. Try it this week and let me know how it turns out. You can tag me on your Instagram stories, and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube for more cozy recipes like this one.